blower BB Nano has come in for review. This was sent in from Nitecore, so we're going to take a look at this. I'm just going over some of the key features and I'll also give you some of my thoughts overall with this. Here's the bundle with the main unit. You don't get a USB-C charging cable for some reason. It's likely not a problem. You've probably got a few of those lying around. As you can see from some of the information on screen, it's a pretty small unit and it weighs just under 100 grams. It's made from polycarbonate, I believe, which feels quite robust. For the top part, you have a bayonet mounting system. Two speeds, 40 and 15 kilometers an hour. On the underside, a fine nylon mesh filter. I'll just show you the operation quickly. Double press to turn it on. Single press will cycle through the two levels. And to turn it off, you just give it a long press on that switch. There's a 3-stage battery indicator. A single press will bring up one of the 3 colours. When it's below 10%, it glows red. And Nitecore also sent some of the extra kits in. This is the enhanced cleaning kit. That includes 2 brushes and an extended silicone nozzle. We have 2 brushes and the white one is designed for lenses, so that's much softer compared to the black one. They also sent in the extension vacuum kit. You get 3 items with this: the bin, the vacuum nozzle, and there's another extended nozzle as well. With the bin, pretty self-explanatory. This will keep the dust and dirt particles inside so that they don't fall out. This is quite a tight fit, so you really do have to turn it. It's not going to come undone by accident, but if you rotate it around anti-clockwise, you'll be able to pull it open. And you have another nylon filter, which of course obviously stops the dirt getting through to the motor. This is the extended nozzle that they give you. Do note that it has a silicone body all over. Both of those items, you just attach those to the bin. Been using this for a week or so. I haven't had a problem with any of these coming off by accident, so it seems to be pretty secure. I'll show you what to do attaching the vacuum bin now. This goes to the underside, obviously, because it is pulling the air through. Once you've locked that into position, what you do is just pick the accessory that you want to use. In this case, I'm showing you the brush. The silicone nozzle, that just pushes into place, and that is a little bit on the fiddly side sometimes, but it does fit in. You'll notice that that also has an angle at the tip. The suction on this is pretty good, really. It's better than I expected. It's certainly fine for cleaning up around the desk if you've got any crumbs or things like that. You have a few uses for this. I mean, I'm just showing you a demonstration of some mess that I made myself. But it could come in handy, particularly for things like computers or accessories. Inside, you can see it's done a fairly decent job of picking up that dirt. Over time, as the filter gets dirty, you can brush it off or clean it out, just wash it out. Although this is aimed at photography, the blower does have quite a few uses other than that. Other things like musical instruments, perhaps speakers, and of course cameras. It can be used for cleaning those. On the outside, I'm using the black brush here. If you're working on lenses, then switch over to the white one, which is a lot softer. And of course, the obvious one is using the blower for things like sensor cleaning. Wanted to do a practical test to just see how powerful this was at the highest power level compared to a traditional normal blower. I've got a couple of rocket blowers and a K&F concept one, which I did a review on a while ago. And the results were pretty much as I expected. The least powerful out of all of these is the rocket blower, then the K&F, and then I rate the Nitecore in second place, with the medium rocket blower being the most powerful. The airflow tends to be a bit more concentrated with the hand blowers because they have a smaller nozzle. Let's take a listen to the sound now out of the Nitecore. It's bearable on the lowest level, but it does get a bit on the noisy side at the top output. Did a quick runtime test for both power levels. Get about 10 minutes runtime at the highest output. You can charge this and use it on both power levels, so that's a potential advantage. If you're doing a lot of cleaning on a regular basis, then perhaps it is worth considering. If you only do some cleaning once in a while, say for example a sensor clean, then it makes sense really to just have the normal manual blower. That wraps it up for me on this video. I'll be interested to hear your thoughts, so do drop them down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.